We all face challenges, mountains that seem impossible to climb, storms that threaten to drown us, moments where the darkness feels like it will never fade. Each one of us has experienced hardship in one form or another. It's a universal part of human existence. Yet, within these struggles, there's an undeniable strength, a resilience that propels us forward. It's in these very moments of adversity where the most remarkable tales of triumph are born. But what if I told you that within those struggles, within the depths of adversity, lie untold stories of triumph? Before we move on, please subscribe to our channel for daily motivational videos. Let's get to know Maria, a brave single mom who faced tough times. When it felt like everything was going wrong, she found peace in gardening, transforming a barren land into a lively community garden. She didn't just provide food for her family, she helped her community and healed her own spirit. She isn't the only one. Meet David. Life hit him hard with a terminal illness, but he didn't let that set his path. Instead, he started painting, and his joy filled up art studios and galleries. His story isn't about an end, it's about the happiness and beauty he found and shared, even when times were tough. Then we have Nadia. She's more than just a woman, she's a symbol of never giving up. Escaping from the terrors of war with nothing but hope, she made a way for herself and became a symbol of hope as a successful doctor. Her path was full of hurdles, but she walked it with determination, giving hope and care to those around her. These are the real superheroes. They don't wear flashy costumes or masks. Their superpowers are toughness, stubbornness, and a never-give-up attitude. They show us that even when life gets tough, we can always find a way to shine, to turn challenges into victories. We often chase big wins, stories that end with a bang. But these superheroes, they show us another kind of win. Their victories are silent, often unseen by the world. They're in the little steps taken, in the kind acts, in the daily choices to keep pushing, to keep battling. These are the real wins, the ones that might not make the news but make a huge difference. The ones that motivate, that show us our own strength, our own power to overcome challenges. So remember, every little step forward, every act of kindness, every choice to keep pushing, those are the times when we shine. The path to triumph may be rough, but it's never alone. Each time we face a challenge, each time we rise above, we create a ripple effect. This ripple isn't confined to the boundaries of our own lives. It reaches out, touching the hearts and minds of those around us, inspiring them to rise with us. Think about it. When we see someone overcoming adversity, we don't just see their struggle, we see their courage, their determination, their resilience. These stories, our stories, have the power to ignite a spark within others. A spark that says, if they can do it, so can I. Our victories, big or small, are not just personal triumphs. They are a testament to the indomitable human spirit, a beacon of hope for others facing their own battles. They are a reminder that we are stronger than our struggles, that we have the power to rise above, to transform our pain into purpose, our trials into triumphs. Every step we take forward, every hurdle we jump, every battle we win, we are not only changing our own lives, but we're also changing the world around us one ripple at a time. We are weaving a tapestry of resilience, a tapestry that tells the story of human spirit refusing to be broken. You are not just one person facing your own darkness. You are part of a human tapestry woven with stories of resilience. So let this be your call to action. Each of us has a unique journey, a path marked by triumphs and trials, successes and setbacks. But in the midst of our individual battles, we share a common thread, the resilience of the human spirit, the ability to rise from adversity, to find hope in the darkest of times, and to use our stories to inspire others, just like Maria, who turned her struggle into a source of sustenance for her community, like David, who responded to his terminal illness with creativity and laughter, like Nadia, who fled war and chaos, yet managed to find her path to healing and success. Their stories are not just their own, but part of a larger tapestry, a collective narrative of resilience and triumph. You too have a story to tell. Your challenges, your victories, your journey are all a part of this narrative. By sharing your story, you contribute to a chorus of voices echoing the resilience and strength of the human spirit. You become a beacon of hope for others who might be facing similar struggles, showing them that they are not alone, that triumph is possible, that the human spirit is indomitable. And as you share your story, remember to lift up the voices of others. Listen to their stories, offer your support, applaud their victories. Together, we can create a community where every story matters, where every triumph, no matter how small, is celebrated. We rise, not just for ourselves, but for each other, for the next generation, for a future where stories of triumph become the norm, not the exception, for a world where adversity is not a dead end, but a stepping stone to growth and success. So rise, share your story, listen to others, be a part of this beautiful, resilient tapestry of human spirit. Let's rewrite the narrative of adversity together. Join the movement. Subscribe to our channel to learn more about how you can be a part of the rising from adversity.